Hi, this is Jeff from blackpoolunlimited.com, bringing you another tutorial to assist you to research your business idea for opening your new business. Today we're going to look at NOMIS, that's the official labour market statistics. And in particular we're going to look at two things: local authority profile, and we're also going to look at census data for 2011. It's very important when you're starting a business that you clearly define the area that you're going to trade in and look at the local characteristics. How many people, how many houses, what kind of age group, what kind of income do people have, how many unemployed people, and so on. You'll need this for two reasons. One, for your own peace of mind when you're opening your business. But two, if you're looking for finance, any finance company, whether it's startup loans or your local bank, will expect you to have looked at the area that you're going to trade in. And with this in mind, it will establish whether or not your business has potential to succeed or not. So, okay, let's have a look at NOMIS. So the screen you're looking at now is divided into home, data sources, area reports, standard reports, data downloads, and census. And we're going to start by looking at labour market profiles. And we're going to look at the local authority profile, clicking on here. And we're going to type in Blackpool, which is where we are. And we're going to go search. Okay, then we've got a list of different things. And we're going to look at the local authority of Blackpool. Okay, very simple. So the first thing you can see is a nice little map that shows you where we are, Blackpool. And then you've got a table of content: resident population, employment, economic inactivity, workless households, and so on. So let's start with the first part, resident population. It's very important for lots of reasons, not least of which to look at your demographics in terms of your total potential opportunity, that we know how many people live in the area. So in Blackpool, there were 139,400 people in 2019, of which 69,000 were male, 70,000 were female. We can see by age group, age 16 to 64. We can look at labour supply, how many people were active, how many people were unemployed. And we can break that down into males and females. And we can look at what the inactivity looks like in Blackpool, whether they are students, looking for after families, temporary sick, retired, and so on. We can look at the number of households where no one's got a job. Then we can look at occupations, the qualification level, earnings. It's quite important, depending on what kind of market you're going for, that you get a feel for the kind of salaries that people earn in the town or the district or the local authority that you're looking at. And you can see here, as far as Blackpool's concerned, full-time workers earn an average of £454.60 a week versus £587 a week in Great Britain. So obviously we're not quite as financially benefited in Blackpool as we are overall in Great Britain. Another excellent place that you can look at on NOMIS is the census for 2011. And we can go to census, how to find the census data, where it is, and you'll get a table. And one of the things you can do is you look at key statistics. Okay, so key statistics. And if we just look at the usual age structure, as far as the census is concerned, you'll find this page comes up. Okay, and you can actually choose what you want to look at: the UK, the Northwest. Let's keep with Blackpool, which is where we are, and we can go down here and we can find Blackpool, and we can view. And this tells me, according to the 2011 census, how many people by age there are in Blackpool. So, if I'm looking for people between the ages of 20 and 24, I can see there are 8,500. If I'm looking for people who are over 65, over pension age, I can see there's about 26,000 people. Yeah. So you can actually look at the kind of age groups that there are in your area. So we can go back and we can have a look again, and we can say, let's have a look at the household composition. And again, we can choose Blackpool. And we can see the number of houses, 64,367 houses, and so on. And depending on what type of business you've got, that data will be very useful, particularly if you think in terms of the number of people within a house, how many bedrooms that might be, what might that do to plumbing or heating or decorating, maybe the size of gardens and things. So you can get lots and lots of information from NOMIS, and in particular from the local authority reports and the census reports. I hope you found that useful. It's an interesting way to complete your business plan with real, live, up-to-date information. Now, a loan provider will expect you to know about the area that you're trading in. So impress them, impress yourself, and ensure that you complete an excellent business plan. That means when you do go for a loan, you will achieve the desired effect of getting a loan and opening your business. This has been Jeff from BlackpoolUnlimited.com. You can contact us, www.blackpoolunlimited.com. We've got a fantastic toolkit on there that tells you all about business plans and planning and all that kind of thing. And you can also contact us via a contact form, give us your details, give us your phone number, email address, and we will get back to you, and we'll help you in any way, shape or form we can to make Blackpool a great place to open a business. So thank you for listening.